Okay, so this is gonna be 112 recap. We kind of started it with some people, but let's just go over it right now. I'm gonna alert everyone so they could join gradually. Hold up, I gotta find my Discord. But
Dude, I literally wait for the font. Like,
yeah,
I wait for the.
was this a
I
silver bullet? I think. Oh wait, no, it wasn't the first one we tapped into. But let me check. 5 minute. So I'll explain
Oof,
why I took this trade, and let me just go. Oh yeah, it was.
I
You
mean,
could have. Look
dude,
at this. You could have gotten the best wrist reward on this trade.
who you talking to?
You.
I did!
Nice.
That was the trade I took, Mantas!
Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay, you're good then. Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
no,
you were celebrating. I forgot.
yeah, I sent you all the chats so you could use it later today.
Yeah,
Like, right now.
perfect. Let me pop that up. Actually, let me just go over a quick rundown. Basically, I was up 2K on the day from this one trade on one of my funded accounts out of 3. And I was kind of mad. I got a little bit greedy cuz only one account was taken. I only got it on one account. And this volume imbalance trade right here, I was like, alright, I'm going to be really tight with risk. This volume imbalance, it's going to get wicked, filled, and we're going to go lower. My stop can be at the top of this order block right here. Nothing bad will happen. I come back, I'm stopped out. I look at what happened right when I get off lunch, which is I literally, what was it called? 12:30ish. So when I come back, I look back at the trade. Full take profit was hit. And that just kind of made me freak out throughout the day. So I was like, alright, shoot. I'm going to make this back. So right here, basically off this fair value gap, this exact fair value gap and volume imbalance pair, I went long. And I max size.
Wait, where's the volume imbalance? Can you scroll zoom in?
Yeah, it was.
Okay, yeah, I see it
you
now.
can
I see it
you can
now.
And okay, stop right here, 5 handles. I didn't even have a stop, by the way. And my take profit was just slightly in between this range. You see how we tapped it? Right here, this high. Okay, it wasn't this high. It was, let me get this one right here. This high, I was looking back saying, this high is going to be my take profit. A little bit above, because I think we're going to reach for external liquidity if we tap this. We formed equal highs. Forgot about my stop loss. Went straight down. Profits were gone. Max day lost on 2 accounts. That's about it.
Damn.
Wait,
Okay,
you didn't take the lowest buy?
No, I didn't because I was busy. School really chops into my schedule badly because these are basically, if you guys look at all my videos, there's a pattern to when I take my trades. And these are the only time frames where I can actually look at the charts or give my analysis. Because I can't in some classrooms and I can't during first period, so I can't really give much pre-market. But when market opens, I get into my second period, and sometimes I can't have my laptop on. So that's what messes with me a bit. But first, let's go over this trade because you asked about it. Okay, actually, yeah, we'll go to M2's trade after this. 15-minute, we pumped up. We had this. I want you guys to study this tonight, or just look into it. This is something really important for you guys. What the? Hold up, I'm trying to find it again. Okay, do you know what is this?
Isn't that just fucking?
Okay, it's a
No.
BPR. It's a balanced price range. 2 fair
Oh,
value
no.
gaps on top of each other, basically. So we took out these equal lows. We tapped it. Tapped into the.
Here, wait, can you wait a second? I'm gonna write that down because I didn't know
Yeah,
about
it's okay.
BPR.
Yeah, it's BPR. It's a balanced price range. It's just 2 fair value gaps. Clean, no wicks. That's what it is. You use the first fair value gap, and then you just draw through the second one, and it runs through it. That's a BPR balanced price range. I want to see if we did anything internally to it, because usually we tap into it, we reject it, we tap into it again, we reject, and we tap it like 3 times. Kind of like a 3 drives pattern, honestly. Yeah, boom, came out.
So what does that do every time? Does it always?
It just channels.
Push?
It kind of, yeah, it pushes us up. You can see how we respected the BPR perfectly. Took out this low, pushed up higher. It was, I liked it in my opinion. We came up here, we took out this high, and I'm gonna show you what happened here. This is a market maker sell model. Hold up, let me write this down in my thing. Okay, risk management, and what else did we just talk about? BPRs. Okay. So, do you know what a market structure shift is?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is something called a market maker sell model. It's kind of like a head and shoulders pattern, but it's where we push up, we shift market structure lower, and people would call this liquidity sweep, but if you zoom in, you look for something external. The entire blueprint of this is a lot more complex than most people think. There's also like a time scale for it too, which I don't really use, but we didn't really sweep any highs up here, but shift in market structure was good enough for us. And what most people like to see, and what most people took a trade off of, do you see this fair value gap right up here?
Mm-hmm.
You can see how we inversed it, which we went straight through, we ran straight through this fair value gap, and we retraced into it, And for me personally, if I was able to see the charts at this exact moment, I would have a short right here with my stop at this high, and I'd be targeting original consolidation, which is all the way down here. I'd say this is the original consolidation of the move, and we just drag
What
it
the
as
fuck?
original consolidation down here, and that would be a take profit. But I wasn't able to see that, and we don't 100% know if I would have actually called it out. But 109 handles. Imagine catching a trade like that on a funded account.
How much money you think that'd be?
How much would that be? Let me think, because I size them with two
What percent
mini
does that
contracts.
like? Because I don't know
And each
anything
one
about
with take
futures
profits
really.
is like 1,600, 1,600.
Wait, Mantas.
Oh.
Okay, that's $4,000 times 3. So
Damn.
12K in
I
one
got a
day for a
question.
trade like that. But you're
On
not
what
supposed to be
fund?
sneaky
On
about
like
numbers
how
that
much is
because
your
of how
funded
much money you
accounts?
could've made. It's not really a good habit to do that. Oh yeah, by the way, Andrew, I see you're in here. I was up on the day as you saw on my fundeds. I hit max daily loss because I got a little bit frisky with my trading, a little bit too. I don't know how to explain it. Just a little bit too crazy with my trades.
Mantas, I got a
little bit too
question.
emotional. But we had this inverse for value gap. You could have shorted off of it. Kiss was in here giving a recap yesterday, and he explained how we could be taking inverse models like this, how we would be short just the second we close below it. Me personally, I've always traded inverses when we tap back into it, and then I'd be short off of it. But when we got this market structure shift at this low right here, boom, we shifted market structure. We even created a fair value gap. So most people would say this is a breaker block, but I didn't really trust it just because when we pushed through it, I was expecting a bigger retracement into the 0.5 of the range. If there's a breaker block that's in the discount, I don't want to be taking that. I want to look for a trade only in my premium. And this right here, above this zone, this fair value gap, was also the 5-minute silver bullet, plus it was in the premium. So if I mark this out, show you on the 5-minute, the way I taught the 5 minutes and most of the people in here, we trade the first 5-minute fair value gap, the consequent encroachment of the one we tap into, and we target opposing liquidity. So this low right here would be our target, and our trade for whoever took the silver bullet, I'll go over M2 in a bit. Stop up here, it's under 15 handles that fits the criteria, or take profit. Right down the slope, 60 handle take profit. We had good price action today. Sure, okay, yeah, everything's recording. Alright. When we shifted lower, my trade itself was, where was my trade at? I know I didn't get the full tap. I got the tap on the 1 minute because I was on the 1 minute. I entered off consequent encroachment right here on the 1 minute. I called out, I told people I was shorting. I know some people took that, they showed me in DMs, they're doing pretty good. Shooting this, watching this closely here, shorting off this consequent encroachment 0.5 with stop at 0.62, which it was not this. I did not get stopped out. I shorted when we were up here, or tapping around into it. We tapped into equilibrium. I shorted it, and you can see right here, I got another tap into consequent encroachment. My bad, but we got tapped into it. Oh yeah, I forgot. I was confused. I thought it was 1.6k, but. Boom, BPR missed re-entry. I was going to say that this is a re-entry for a play because it was a BPR. And I know you just took notes of BPR, but this is another one. This is another BPR. I should have marked out from this high, but in the moment, this is the only one I saw. And it was just a re-entry for me. This is my P&L for that account. And personal trade I took. This was just the extra trade that I didn't mention. It was just another soup. It was me and Kiss in general. We were talking about it. I did not take profits on this one. It actually ran to full take profits, like it was like 70 handles lower down to the 4th standard deviation. Which standard deviation, you just do it low to high. It's just projections. I'll make a separate video on that so you guys can actually watch it and learn by yourself. Do some independent study because that's pretty important. But I had my stop up here, break even. I know I should have had my stop up here because we retapped into it and we dumped lower. So. And I could just caught this trade. It was good. I hope someone caught it. Uh-oh. Let me go check out my DMs and get M2 in here. Leak me in M2's DMs.
Bro, I'm fiending to talk right now. It's not even funny.
Okay. So it's at 901. Congrats, M2, by the way. I'm going to take this. I saw your DMs popping off, but I could not open up Discord because I was doing that analysis and trying to get my entry, so I'm sorry about that. So,
oh, good.
What were your conflicts? Was OTE? Were we in OTE? What was it? M2?
Yeah, so from the very low to like the high. Hello?
Oh, I can't hear anything. Hold up.
Hello.
No wonder why. I'm sorry about that. Was anyone talking?
Hello?
I did not realize I had no audio.
Hello?
Alright, hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. I had no audio. My bad.
It's all good now. Okay, so Yeah. So I was originally gonna take a buy, and then I'm like, okay, we're a short buy, so you also hit like, I don't know. I saw the displacement lower, and then I waited, and I saw a. Okay, so first off, I drew my fib from the top to I don't know where I drew it from. Hold on, let me check. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, all right, bet. But basically, do we hit a breaker or not breaker?
We were in a breaker for a little bit, but we went straight through it.
Okay.
It was
all
it
right.
was not in a premium. It was actually in, or yeah, it was not in a. Yeah, it wasn't in a premium. It was on a discount. My bad about that.
Okay. Well, like the break. So, like, if you look at the fair value gap, there was like was an order block, right?
Yeah.
Or was that a break?
I think it was.
Yeah.
Let me check. Which one are you talking
Well, on the
about?
5 like on the 5 minute.
Let me see
Yeah.
this.
So.
Oh, right up here?
Yeah.
This is an order block, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I saw that, right? I saw the fair value gap.
Mm-hmm.
I saw there was only one 5 minutes fair value gap. Then I saw we were also in a, oh my gosh, premium. And then I was like, okay, I think at the time I'm like, okay, we hit highs. I don't think we hit highs though. But I thought we hit like buy side a little bit. I don't know. And I saw the displacement lower, market structure shift. Then DXY looked really good. I thought because I needed to. Anyway, it was all good. It went really well.
Yeah, today was a really good day. I liked how DXY combined itself with today's confluences. It actually helped us get some good bias. It gave me a lot of insight into the market, but I want to go over and critique you a little bit because you're going to take this, it depends. I want to see if you get, were you emotional? What was your thought process during this trade? Were you confident in it? What were you thinking?
I was very confident, yeah.
You did very good on this. You actually marked out the exact way I would. Congrats.
Well, it was a 15 handle stop, so you're lucky.
15, yeah, exactly 15 handles.
I always do 15.
Exactly.
If not, I try to.
Don't do anything more than 15. If it's your risk reward too,
Yep.
You had this perfectly placed down right here, to that low exactly as I said.
The low is also 60 handles, which is normally what I target, so you're lucky there too.
Yeah. So wait. You
The-
targeted that's a
the-
1 to 4.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel. I mean, I shouldn't say it. Like, I mean, I told my dad when I got home, like, all right, I'm not gonna freak out when I say this, but I made 1.2K, and then that's it. That's all I said. He's like, wow, great. And I'm like, yeah. So I tried not to react. I will be honest. In class, I was really like,
You're allowed to get happy and celebrate. You're not supposed to just be a robot. When you're entering and exiting, figuring out your positions, when you're out, you can celebrate a little bit. So you don't have to worry about too much.
I was happy. I was happy.
But do what you did today. It was only one trade, right? You did not look at the charts after that. Did you just hop off?
I did look at the charts.
It's okay, but were you logged into your account? Were you considering taking a trade, or were you just done?
No,
Good.
I was done. I was looking at the Discord. That's what I was doing.
Because I know very well one losing trade took away a little bit of that. You'd go on tails.
No.
I swear, everyone will say they won't. I even say I won't until it happens. Just that one losing trade or one missed trade. Or it was, in my case, it was actually 3 missed trades today that were all up in profits, or all potential trades that would have smacked my take profit, that led to this one thing ruining my accounts. Which
I agree.
It was pretty dumb. It was 3 missed trades. I was in profit for every single one of them. One of them did actually hit, and this one I missed it. This one got me stopped out, and then it ran straight past my take profit. Hit my final take profit for all of them. And this one.
Man, I got a question.
What's up?
So can you go back on the 1 minute?
Yes, of course.
This is what I took that trade off of. You see the inverse fair value gap on the first trade you took.
This one right here.
Yes.
You traded
What
off
I
the inverse?
Yes, I traded off the 0.5 that inverse exactly because the 0.5 that inverse and the 1 minute overlaps. So if you draw the 1 minute, like the normal 1 minute fair value gap correctly, both of the 0.5 encroachment level overlaps. That's what I entered off of.
Nice. This is also a BPR. This is a prime example of an inverse fair value gap. This is a good example of a BPR. Alright, do we have any more questions?
Yes.
What's up?
That's a valid market maker buy and sell model, right?
Oh,
exactly
yeah.
after
Okay,
12.
right here. This right here.
Oh no, that one I know because I took that one.
good.
But I'm talking about 12, the 12.
12? Like up here?
Yeah, 12 p.m. And because I took the market maker buy model at 12. I got the low risk buy.
Oh yeah, you definitely would have. Let me actually look at the 2 minute. I just want to see charts get a little bit more clean before I can actually give you some insight. Okay, so 12 p.m. Yeah, 100%. Look, we shifted market structure, closing above this high, took out this low, we swept this low. I didn't like how we didn't take out this external low, but this was all done inside of a fair value gap. So, see this boom took out this low. We actually created a low, which this could have been inducement right here. Ripped through it, so we swept that. So yeah, we already have basically a 3 drives right here. And this looks really good as a buy model. Where did you enter off of?
I entered off the second the order block formed at
This one?
16,933. 16,933 is price. I like
16,933.
1248 basically.
1248. You entered
Yeah,
at
like
1248?
Yeah.
Right here? Okay.
The second that order block formed, I entered, basically. So like the second that candle at like 249 open, I basically entered. 1249, yeah.
Yeah, but which order block are you talking about?
Oh, I'm on the 1 minute.
Yeah, I'm on the 1 minute too.
Oh, okay. Well, not order block, but that fucking what's it called? Double the what's it called? Close low. Both of them close low. On the MNQ. Fucking
Oh, are you talking about SMT?
yeah. And then I just fucking entered off of that shit.
Yeah, SMT is valid. Actually, that's something that wasn't even talked about in the ICT. He said that in like, what was it called? Twitter space a while ago. That the, what was it called? NQ and MNQ pairs will have different volumes and they'll also correlate into an SMT. And that's
Yep.
something I'm going to teach in the advanced silver bullet because he dropped so much secrets about the silver bullet in one of his Twitter spaces, and I have to go back and find out all of them. Hopefully he didn't.
There's a
delete it.
video.
This was like 3 hours into a 6-hour Twitter space. Middle.
And Mantas.
What's up?
So for at when was it? 11:37. Would that big fair value gap, does that not make you like kind of think maybe short, or like how do you
Just for value gap
play
right
after seeing that?
now?
But
After
yeah,
seeing
yeah.
This, we're probably gonna have a ton of accumulation, which is exactly what we did. Continue lower, then we just look for liquidity sweeps, market structure shifts, and that's all we're basically looking for. Do not get FOMO from this. Oh, okay. A lot of people get FOMO. They try entering, they get torn up. It's bad. I see a lot of people get torn up just because I missed out big displacement legs. Even though this one 40 handles, that's like one good trade. Don't ruin your trading career. You could have a whole future in this, and you're just going ham emotionally. And I was in shorts up here actually, and then my stop was too tight, which also contributed. I feel like I have some issue with missing multiple good trades a day, because usually I'm okay with missing 1, 2 good trades a day. I'm missing entire big moves in general. But when I'm in on those moves and I'm up, take profits about to get hit, I feel like I get a little bit more emotional with the trade because I feel like, I don't know what it is. Maybe I feel like I should have had a tighter stop loss or I should have held on for longer, but I don't really know. It could
Okay.
also be scope
Last
to
question.
distract me. Yeah, what's up?
Can you look at 433 and tell me if that's a valid market maker sell model?
PM or AM?
AM.
Today?
Yes. Trade. Oh, it's
Bro,
valid, but
You can see
valid.
it. You can
valid.
see it. It's literally just a head and shoulders. 433.
Yeah, exactly where I entered as 433.
Yeah, you went short here, right?
Yeah, and I just
Yeah,
held in.
as long as you went short, you're chilling. Don't worry. We tapped into a what was it called? What is this up here?
Premium.
There we go. I was hoping
Gotcha.
someone would say discount and mess up, but I felt like someone would say it. Okay, nothing much here. I want to see on the 3 minute. Maybe the 3 minute.
Wait, what was it that you just asked? Sorry, I was looking at my screen on
It's okay. So BPR right here, or you could also just call this inverse. They're basically the same thing, honestly. So yeah, if you look at the 3 minute, you're chilling. Take this short, enjoy your profits, ride it all the way down. Where would your take profit be on this? Do you want to try using standard deviation, see what type of things we hit?
No, I'll tell you the exact when I exited on. Hold up, I used to hop on my trading view. I'll tell you the exact exit I got.
I need help in the 1 minute. That's why I was so confused. You should be a lot cooler than that.
Exactly at 16,915, the very low.
6.
No, not exactly, but like. No, of the like original consolidation. My man's is like all the way down there.
But what?
Okay, Jesus. Okay, you see the consolidation at like
Right
250
here?
to like 3. Yes, I targeted the low at 253
Oh,
a.m.
you're talking to this, right?
Yes, I was
Okay,
talking the
good.
low of that.
Okay.
I saw that retracement. You see how it consolidates and retrace right there? I got a little scared, so I put my stop loss right above the second high and didn't get hit. I'm not gonna lie, I got scared for that trade.
Yeah. Just hold on to it. I want to start closing out my charts, but I do that and then max day lost, so I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna recover from my psychology, box tonight, do some crazy stuff, whatever, and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna hit it hard. You guys want to have study sessions or do something Sunday? I don't have school Monday, but markets are closed Monday, so
I wanna box with you, bro.
you should. It's a 3-day weekend, so no trading on Monday, so we can go straight into the week, bombing into Tuesday, force some trade.
I got a stupid question.
What's up?
So you say no trading Monday, but does London included?
Oh, come on. Yeah, okay, you can trade London. Oh yeah, you trade. I forgot, Val. You trade London. You're the service like only London trader. You're valid.
Yeah,
you're good.
no.
Thank you. I forgot. Yeah, give some credit to Valid. If you can't trade because of school or if you're in a different time zone, go to him. He gives good analysis. I gotta take you
I'm
off
unprofitable.
every.
I'm unprofitable.
All the analysts are gone. Okay.
I'm unprofitable.
Well, I want to. Okay, Algorithmics he stepped down. He's not even here. Algorithmics, he stepped down. We have Day in here. Let's see what Day's predictions were for the day.
Oh, they got stopped out on NQ.
Oh, that sucks. Maybe we went through the same stuff. Stopped on. Okay, looks like Spencer got stopped out. I should do a overall performance of everyone's stuff. He took this trade too. Why didn't he? Oh wait, no, he got a good entry. He should have been fine. Yeah, he took the same. I think everyone took that trade. We should be fine then. 20 points. Okay. Yeah, he did good today. He made a good trade today. Alert game.
Wait, hold on. Isn't that okay? No one in this call tell him I said this. Isn't that just Spencer?
Of course it's Spencer. If you even look at his profile, it's Spencer.
Okay. I was about to say, isn't that? You know what? He changed. I wanted him to be profitable. I didn't think he's getting liver.
I know. I literally he had a few one-on-ones with me and I fixed him up. He was trading. What was it called? Retail like trend lines and stuff, and he was not hitting these numbers.
Damn.
What happened, bro? He went on like a steep decline.
Yeah, he went on a steep decline. I picked him up like, all right, I like you as a person, Spencer. You're respectful towards me. You're a cool person, and I gave him like free one-on-ones. So he got plenty of one-on-ones, and now he's hitting out absolute bangers every day.
Did you say free?
All the one-on-ones are free, and I don't know. No one really,
Yeah,
absolutely no one DMs me for one-on-ones.
That's true.
I also say come ask me in the recap if it's something general, but if it's more like pure one-on-one, then.
Wait, I have a question.
What's
Did you
up?
take that sell model after the buy model? Like, not the sell model, but you know the buy, like the, what's it called? The buy, the one I took after 12. Did you take that sell or no?
Probably not.
Because I know there's some people that took that sell right after I took that buy.
I'm bearish.
He said I'm bearish. Last thing he says.
That's all I can say. I'm actually bearish on the week. Going into next week, we're gonna be bearish.
I want to see equal highs though. Wouldn't that be nice? See equal highs.
I'm using the gold back indicator. I'm using this thing right here to actually determine.
Oh, let's go.
Just
I found
fumbled. Why'd you say that?